Hi guys, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a Mildwild hair wig review today, and I'm super excited for this video. But before we get into anything, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and put your post notifications on so you don't miss out on all of this. And let's get right into it. So first things first, I want to talk about this packaging. So the hair came in this gorgeous heart-shaped, diamond-shaped box. It is super cute, and it has this heartbeat going across it, and then it says Mildwild. I just want to show off this packaging because this is the best wig box that I've ever received. It's like wooden, it's nice and sturdy. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. You can tell they put a lot of time and effort into it, and this is the best wig box or wig packaging that I've received ever. The hair also came in this nice yellow bag, and it also came in a plastic that was inside the bag, so it was nice and secured and sealed. Along with it, they gave me this really cute rose that says "Have a nice day." Super thoughtful, super cute. And lastly, they sent me this heart-shaped diamond necklace with a heartbeat that goes through it. I believe this is their logo, but this is so super cute. I should have wore it today, but I just didn't think of that until just now. So this is super cute, super thoughtful. I really love the box. Bomb. Can't say that enough. But now let's get into this hair. So this hair is 150 density. It's 100% virgin human hair. It has 4 combs, 1 strap. It is pre-plucked. It comes with baby hairs. This is a 20-inch, and this is their body wave texture, and it has an invisible lace. So that's just a quick rundown on the hair. Now if you want to see me install this hair, how I styled it, etc, continue watching. So first things first, you want to make sure you got some Meek Millies in your hair. I just did these. They're not the straightest, but just make sure you got some fresh Meek Millies or some old Meek Millies. It really don't matter. And then I'm gonna get some Gold Bond glue, and I'm gonna apply it on the perimeter of my head. I've never used this glue before, but I've heard great reviews, and my little cousin Sydney put me on, so we finna use it today. I'm gonna put like 2 layers of this on. I heard the more layers you put on, the better, but I'm just gonna use 2 because I've never used it before. So I'm gonna do little dots. Make sure it's above your edges because you don't want your edges to get, you know, stuck on or whatever. I'm gonna use this little brush. So using this little brush, I'm just gonna spread the glue out evenly. And then I'm just gonna blow dry it, and when it dries, I'm gonna add another layer. Now I'm gonna put my cap on.
Put my cap on.
Okay, so I put that first layer down so I can know where to put the glue the second time. So now we're just gonna I forgot to do this before, but make sure you cut your ears out, because if not, your ears gonna be secured. So yeah, cut your ears out. Okay. And now you want to blow dry it again. So I'm spraying the Got to Be on for some extra coverage. I'm just gonna spray this all over. Okay, so once it's dry, you want to cut the excess cap off. So this what we finna do. This what we finna do. I'm trying to save my edges, you know what I mean? I wanna take this off and not have no edges, so. I just cut my ear. Bro. I'm tripping. Let's do the other side without cutting my ear, bro. I'm getting there. Y'all see me? Y'all can't lie and say I want to look cute bald. So now that you got this whole shebang on, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette and I'm gonna tap into the contour shade and I'm just gonna apply this all over my cat. Now you can use your foundation. I might do a little bit of both, we'll see. But yeah, do whatever suits you and makes you feel comfortable. You're gonna pat this all over your head. Don't hurt yourself now. Now we're gonna take this lovely hair and I'm gonna apply it to my head. I'm going to adjust the straps. It just have adjustable straps and I got a small head, so I'll be making my wigs a little tight so they are nice and secure. Before we even put this wig on, I'm gonna apply some of that contour powder to the wig itself. So this is how it looks after I apply the powder to it. It does come with their own baby hairs and everything, but I'm probably gonna end up making my own because that's what I usually do anyway. The lace tone matches my skin perfectly and this hair is so soft. Like, it is so soft. It is shedding. See, I have like 2-3 strands, but it's not a lot. Oh my gosh, I like this hair. Even though they said it was pre-pluck, it could use a little bit of plucking. I tried plucking it a little bit, but honestly, I didn't do the best job. I'm not a pro at plucking. And here's the little baby hairs. I was trying to show you guys earlier, but yeah. I'm just gonna push everything back so we can focus on the lace. The lace. Next, I'm gonna add some more of the Ghost Bond glue so that we can glue this joint down. So now I'm finna put my lace down. Take my time. Let me take my time and do this before I spoil the whole thing. think I like this glue because it's not even dry yet, and I can already feel like it's secure, it's snatched, it's like hold it on tight. Now it's time to cut the lace. So make sure you push all the hairs back so they're not in the way. Push it back, push it back, push it back, back, push it back, push it back, push it back, back. Make sure you don't cut the hair you actually want to keep. You're gonna cut this bad boy off. Okay, so this definitely need to be plucked because it's giving me very much, you know, hat vibes. It's not giving me natural. It's not giving me natural. So I decided to wrap my hair just to try to melt the lace a little bit. And then once I wrap it, I'm gonna leave it on for about 10-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it off. So here I'm just parting my hair. I'm gonna play around with it and see whether I want to do a middle part or a side part. So the middle part wasn't given, so I decided to do a side part, but you guys already know I love a side part anyway, so I don't know why I always be trying to force myself to do a middle part. Now for my favorite part, the edges. So I'm just playing around with the baby hairs, figuring out what I want to do. I knew I wanted to do a little, you know, swoop near the part. So I'm just cutting it near my eyebrow, and we're going to use the Got2b glue to swoop these edges. I didn't use my edge control brush because it's dirty and I left it downstairs. So I'm just going to use my comb to do my edges today. And they actually came out so nice. So I might have just put y'all onto something new. Use your comb, not your edge control brush. So I decided to just do 2 swoops, and I was going for this like arroganttae Jada, you know, hairstyle. I don't know if you guys know about that, but yeah, she kind of had this one hairstyle where she had like 2 swoops. If I find a picture, I'll put it there, but I don't think I'm gonna find it anyway. But she had these 2 swoops, and I was going for that and just trying to mimic how he did it. And look, like, it's just so cute. Y'all see that? Period. So this is the final do. I absolutely love this hair. It is super soft. It was easy to do the baby hairs. It does need a little bit of plucking, but girl, you can't say this ain't it. I really like how it looks on me. I did a little simple swoop baby hair, and I'm really feeling it. You know what I mean? I'm really feeling it. I was going for, you know, arroganttae, Jada baby hairs, you know how she do the 1-2, and that's it. That's all nice, cute, and simple. Yes, it had a little bit of shedding, but not a lot, and plus I think some of the shedding is just from me playing with the hair a lot. If I were to rate it, of course I'm giving it a 10 out of 10, no questions asked. This hair is it. And if you would like to purchase this hair, make sure you check out the Mildwild wig website. I will have that in my description box below, along with their Instagram if you want to check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video and want more wig videos from moi, make sure that you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and put your notification bell on so you don't miss out on all of this. And check out my last video if you haven't checked it out yet. But that's it, and that's all for this video. As always, remember to be beautiful and love yourself.